Hey guys, how's it going? How to configure a backup schedule on Bluehost. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you select the best plan. If you want a unique plan, please visit the link in the description box. Now, for this step, you need to configure the system backups running on your VPS or dedicated server. You need to log in to your WHM. All the necessary tools can be accessed through the backup section or by typing backup into the search bar. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see this is the dashboard, right? Just in this case, you may want to check the backup user selection. All right, next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to enable or disable backups, okay, from here. And then to enable or disable all users, click account actions, and basically when enabling, most of the default settings should be good, but there are some that you should look at. In particular, the retention values should be set to a value that will ensure your backups fit in the space available on your server. If you want to modify the backup configuration, right, just go ahead and click the backup status or backup configuration from here, and basically you're gonna be able to scroll down to the scheduling and retention, right? And to modify your backup, there are 3 sections: daily, weekly, and monthly, each of which has a similar layout. Below is the layout for the daily backup, okay? And the options are labeled in the picture above are as follows: whether the chosen backup is enabled or not, on which days the chosen backup will run, the number of completed backups held on that server. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.